Today we are blessed
and grateful to present this 2-2 plus den designer gardenia model home that will open the gateway to your village's lifestyle.
Starting with the blocked pavers and manicured landscaping, this home is a diamond in paradise.
This stunning, luxurious home has upgrades by the dozen and a style Versace would be proud of. The beautiful kitchen will be a real memory maker. From the culinary dishes you create to the cocktail party socials friends adore attending.
This home has it all. Granite countertops, diagonal tiled floors, crown molding throughout, and even your very own infrared sauna.
Your backyard is a place of solitude, tranquility, and privacy, or intimacy and laughter when entertaining guests.
The split bedroom floor plan means your family and friends can enjoy peace, quiet, and privacy. Cane Garden Golf and Country Club's a short stroll away.
Hop in the golf cart for the short ride to Sea Breeze Rec Centre with its gym, pickleball, swimming, and activities galore.
Or take in the restaurants, bars, theaters, or nightly entertainment at Lake Sumter Town Square.
Call today for your private showing
and personal tour of the villages.